Hey guys, today I'm going to show you another one of my Scary Maze game reactions, but with the sounds on. So, I'm going to be scared out of my pants. I'm going to crap my pants. Maybe I'm not. I'm not so sure. Alright. Damn it, I forgot that the face is still up. Okay, you may not be able to hear it that well, but it's going to be fun. Hope you guys are happy. I'm at the end of level 2. I'm at the last line. Oh my gosh, still hit that, damn it. If I even get to it. God. A jam. Damn it! I still can't get through level 2. I'm not sure why. I'm on the second one of level 2. Now I'm on third. I'm on level 3. Oh, great. Now I have to go back to the beginning. I'm sorry, guys. You don't deserve this. Oh. Thing's really annoying me. Stupid thing will not let me pass through. So I'm like level 3, last part, and then boom, I hit the wall. And of course I'm making a video, I can't get through this. Oh my god. I'm almost at the end of level 2 and level 3. I hope you guys are happy. That's beautiful. So now you guys saw my reaction. Not a big thing. The first time I actually jumped, I was like, whoa. But then I was like, okay. So yeah. That's my reaction. Sorry guys, that took me such a long time to get to level 3 and not to get scared at all. What else to say? Oh yeah. Like this, subscribe, all up for it.